Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I haven't done a HOBONICHI week's plan with me in a while. So just a quick flip through of really the last month or so. Ooh, I love that with the Giving Girl and According to Allie. And then my strawberries, JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. These were actually just a freebie from the washi tape shop. And then stickers from the Giving Girl. And then last week I'm not sure where these stickers were from, but they were sent to me by Kat Decker. Thank you very much. So this week, it's not going to be a huge plan with me or a very long plan with me. I'm actually just using the leftovers of my Happy Mail collection. So this is what's left of the stickers that I had used in my daily journal for this week. I don't know if I'm even going to use these, but we'll see. Let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is take my F3 pens here and write the days of the week here, although Saturday's kind of getting a bum deal there. Friday. I am very excited for this week because it is a 3-day work week for me. And then as of Friday, I'm on vacation for a whole week. So really, I'm only in the office Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday because Monday is also a holiday here, or a provincial holiday here in Alberta. So no work. Oh, day off. And then I'm gonna write vacation. Perfect. I want to try actually do a little something different in this plan with me. I don't know if I have all of the stuff to do it with though. Oh, okay. So I have a bag. I have a bag. I need the ink. Give me 1 second. So I have my Colorverse Alpha Sagittarius here, but I also have Birmingham Penco Milkweed, and they're the ones that match with this. So I'm going to, if you guys haven't seen me do this before, make sure that there is paper underneath that. Ooh, still a little wet. Where's my, there we go. Actually, let's pull this over here. Just a little towel to wipe things off when I'm done. And I'm going to do something that I haven't done before with this, is I'm going to combine two colors together. So that's one pipette for that one. And I have to do this really quickly before it soaks in. Ooh, and then Birmingham Penco Milkweed is the purple. So getting in there quickly. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay. And then with the baggie, and then lift. Ooh. And I know they're gonna run together, but that's kind of what I want. And then up here, do I want to add another? Yeah, I'm gonna leave that at that. Ooh. Very cool, very quick. Now I have to wait for it to dry. Oh, so that took a while to dry, but I think it looks really, really cool. And I'm gonna add some of this washi tape. I feel like this is the washi tape that's going to be in all of my spreads from now on. So if you start to get sick of it, I do apologize. Actually, I'm gonna rip that in half. But I think the two together with the stickers are gonna look really, really good. Already like it. And then just moved. So let's, I want to put, you know what? I'm looking at the freebies that I have in my shop, and even, do they go? No, they're not big enough, but yeah, this is the freebie that's currently in my shop if you place an order in August. Okay, so for the Happy Mail collection, I think what I'm gonna do is cut this washi in half and place one here, but it kind of gets lost. So maybe I'll place one here, and then the other one up at the top on my day off. Yeah, I should have written that higher. And then these are gonna get placed around here. Like the color works really well. And I'm really enjoying that. Peel up. Oh. Okay, and where do I want to put this one? No, I'll put this one here, and then I have other little tiny stickers to go around as well. Cute. I'm excited for that. Oh, it's amazing how something like fountain pen ink added that much to a Hobonichi week spread. Like, very quick plan with me. I say quick, but it took ages for this to dry. And then I'll add both of these down here. I like that. To be honest, I try not to overthink where I'm going to put the sticker, because really, if I don't like it, I can just turn the page. And then even this page, see, it bled through here, so it's not something that I would do on a weekly basis, but knowing that I won't be using this week for work, or if I even just do the splatter down here, because I know that I don't use Saturday and Sunday or even Friday, and then I can just cover it with a big sticker. So yeah, the point is I don't think too hard about where I put the sticker down, just because if I don't like it, that's fine. Now I'm talking because, oh, I lost that thing. All right, so very quick plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. I use this for work, and normally I write my meetings down here, but next week is a weird week. I won't have any coachings or team meetings because half of the staff are gone. So I'll fill that in when I need to fill that in. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this little haphazard video of me just flinging ink and stickers around. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.